I'm Rachel Coldicutt, the CEO of doteveryone. It's not that technology has been coming under more criticism overall, it's just that I think the story has been really, really positive for a long time, and now we're starting to see potentially more balance there, I think. So the trust that society has in the tech sector has partly been growing in the last 8 or 9 years. If you order something online and it turns up in a couple of hours, that gives you loads of confidence that everything is working. But no one really understands the things that have happened to make that occur really smoothly. In the media in the last couple of years, more stories about the things that are making that happen. So not only what's happening to your data, but the workers who are helping that to happen. It's turning it from being a magical thing into something that is maybe slightly more uncomfortable for people to start to understand all the parts of. The most important thing is about keeping true to your purpose as a business, not trying to be an opportunist with your customers' data, and being really clear about the data that you need to collect. There are lots of great things about GDPR, but probably rather than building trust, I think for the first time it reminded lots of people about the data they're sharing. Actually, the benefit of thinking about it is huge. Whether or not that builds trust, I don't know. Potentially it might build a little bit of healthy skepticism, actually. Customers are going to become more and more aware of the value and the use of their data. But one of the things that we've seen is that the pressures of everyday life mean that mostly people are trading things off, and so you're giving away the data to make something else easier. I think the thing that will happen is maybe over time, as there are more breaches and scandals, people will start to be more wary. But in the interim, I think it's more likely to be a bit of a nuanced pick and mix where people are choosing to share it for certain things and not others.